This is a modern Windows app package. It's how apps are distributed in the Microsoft Store. You can double-click it to sideload the app if you have developer mode enabled. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's enable the mode. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional APPX file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. An APPX file is an application package format used by Microsoft Windows to distribute and install apps. Introduced with Windows 8, it's the container for Universal Windows Platform, UWP apps. Users encounter these files when sideloading applications or downloading them from sources other than the Microsoft Store. The APPX format is essentially a zip archive containing the application's code, assets, libraries, and a manifest file, AppxManifest.xml. This XML file describes the package contents, capabilities, and identity. This containerized design ensures a clean, secure, and reliable installation and uninstallation process. The ideal software for creation and opening of APPX is Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows offers only surface-level attributes, so deeper analysis must be done with security or development tools. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the APPX file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Windows if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If you are still having trouble opening the APPX file, do not worry. Don't let the APPX file frustrate you. Its specialty simply means we need to confirm a few specific criteria. Time for our checklist. First, installing with App Installer. Double-click the APPX file to launch Windows App Installer, which handles installation. App Installer verifies the package signature, displays application information, and prompts for installation confirmation. Click Install to deploy the application, which then appears in your Start menu like any Microsoft Store application. Next, using PowerShell. For advanced installation options, use PowerShell with Add AppX Package, cmdlet. Run Add AppX Package. Path filename.appx as administrator to install the package. PowerShell provides additional flags for development scenarios, side-loading enterprise deployment, and detailed installation logging useful for IT administrators. Finally, inspecting package contents. Rename the APPX extension to .zip and extract with 7-zip or WinRAR to inspect contents without installation. View the manifest file contained executables and resources for security analysis or development reference. This approach helps verify package contents before installation, especially for unsigned developer packages. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.